Let's join Yusuf Akogu for Business News Update.
Welcome to Business News. I am Yusuf Akogu. The Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation has increased the maximum deposit insurance coverage levels for a deposit money bank from 500,000 naira to 5 million naira for deposit money bank with immediate effect. The managing director of NDIC, Bello Hassan, made a disclosure on Thursday in Abuja. According to him, for deposit money banks, the increase of the maximum deposit insurance coverage from 500,000 naira to 5 million naira will provide full coverage of 98% of the total depositors, compared with the current cover of 89.20%. In addition, microfinance bank maximum deposit insurance coverage was increased from 200,000 naira to 2 million naira. The reverse coverage will increase the value of deposit covered by deposit insurance to cover 25.37% compared with the current cover of 6.31% of the total value of deposits. Commercial banks in Nigeria have closed over 2 million bank accounts in the first quarter of 2024 to clean their books of questionable accounts and comply with regulatory orders of linkage of bank account to NIN. This is contained in a report by the Nigerian Interbank Settlement System, NIBBS. According to the report, the number of inactive bank accounts grew month on month by 4 million to 19.7 million in March 2024 from 19.3 million in the previous month. NBBIS data further showed that 61.6 million Nigerians have BVN as of April 2024. A bank account is classified inactive when the recorded zero transaction, including deposit, withdrawals and transfer, or point of sales transaction for 6 months. The Center for the Promotion of Public Enterprise, CPP, has asked the Central Bank of Nigeria to adopt a specific quarterly exchange rate for import duty collection. According to the CPP, the measure will address the problems associated with frequent changes in custom exchange rates and general volatility of the foreign exchange market. In a statement signed by its Chief Executive Officer, Yusuf, the center stated that constant changing of FX rates is inimical to production, planning, and worsening the inflation rate and increasing investment risk. The statement further said that the exchange rate was changed 28 times in Q1 and 10 times in April alone. The move, it said, compounds international trade uncertainty for Nigerian businesses, which does not augur well for the growth targets of the country. Investors in the stock market segment of the Nigerian Exchange Limited, NGS, lost about 3.6 trillion naira in April as the Central Bank of Nigeria lured them with attractive yields on its Nigerian treasury bills. Let's see how the equity side of the market went down today. Top gaining equities for today, we see the like of Presco closing positive there, 10% it ended to close at 229 naira and 90 kobo per share. Flour Mill PLC also up there, 10% to close at 33 naira and 55 kobo per share. Of course, Sterling Bank also closed positive there, 4 naira and 74 kobo. The share price ended, and of course, it gained 9.98% at the close of business this Thursday. Of course, this has pushed up the market upward by 0.55%. If you look at the volume of trade for today, a little bit higher, 665.198 million volume of shares traded, and of course, in terms of value, 5.541 billion naira reduced there, 8,446 did exchange hands among investors at the close of business today. Of course, the all share index still way behind 100,000 basis points at the close of business today. Of course, looking at some of the top trading equities, we have Abe, a microfinance bank, leading the table there, 362.820 million shares traded. Of course, followed by Access Corporation, 54.466 million shares. Of course, Veritas Capital, an insurance company, doing 38.748 million shares. Some equities did recorded losses today. Of course, leading that table is NASCON, down 9.99% to close at 47 naira and 30 kobo per share. UPL down 9.29%, 2 naira and 5 kobo per share. It ended. Omatech also down 9.21% to close at 69 kobo per share there. That's the highlight of the stock trading as it went down this Thursday on the floor of NGS. Let's see the global stock market for today. Now to the FS market. Naira recorded gain at official market but marginal declines at the parallel market on Thursday. Here are today's market data. Oil prices rose on Thursday, rebounding from 3 days of losses that took prices to their lowest since mid-March. At the London market, European Brent sells for $83 per barrel. For the OPEC basket, price steadies at $88 per barrel. And that's business. I am Yusuf Akogu.